Good evening and welcome to the live and interactive quizzing session Curiosity conducted by THiNC Institute of Design. So now we are back again with yet another session of Curiosity quiz. So let's wait for some participants to join. After that, we'll be starting the session. So those who are already aware of the game process, today's game pin is 6153088. So please enter this in your Kahoot app or Kahoot website and join the quiz. So hope everybody has, most of you have written your examinations, and I hope you did well also, and I hope the questions also might help you. And we have received some comments from the students also that most of the questions were kind of asked, or maybe the themes were also kind of repeated. So thank you for that. With all your support, we were able to improve ourselves in all the quizzes. So thank you for that. So Haifa has joined, Yuvraj has joined. Thank you, Haifa. Thank you, Yuvraj, for joining. So let's wait for some more participants. Lola has joined. So let's wait for some more participants. After that, I'll just explain. For those who are not aware of the game process, I'll just explain how you have to play this session. Lola, Haifa, Yuvraj, Deba. Right. So game pin, I'll just repeat the game pin once again, 6153088. Okay. All right. So for those who are not aware of the game process, how you have to play this quizzes, you have to download the Kahoot app from Android or Apple Store. And after downloading and opening that, you have to enter the game pin. One window will be popped up where you'll have to enter this game pin. So there you have to enter the game pin 6153088. That is the game pin for today's session. You can see it here. It is also available in the chat box, so we can copy it from there also. Okay. So once you enter this game pin, you'll be given entry to this Kahoot quiz. So that's how you have to play this game. Sorry, that's how you have to enter this game. So how you have to play this game is you need either two mobile devices or you need two browsers or to play this quiz. How you have to play this quiz is you have to, in one mobile device, you have to open your Kahoot app, and in another device, you have to watch our YouTube live. If you don't have an extra mobile device, still you can play this quiz. How we can play this quiz is you can play it from your computer. You can use the browser. You can use two browsers. In one browser, you can open the Kahoot website. This is the Kahoot website, www.kahoot.it. And in another browser, you can open our YouTube live. Okay. So if you don't have two browsers, still you can play. How we can play is you can use a split screen option. In one screen, you can open the Kahoot website, www.kahoot.it. And in another one, you can open our YouTube live. Okay. So why YouTube live? Because YouTube live is the only source for your questions. And that only will be showing you the questions and options. Everything will be there only in the YouTube live. Okay. So in your Kahoot app, you'll only be able to see the color codes, corresponding color codes as well as the shape code. So okay. So after checking the question in the YouTube live, you'll have to go to your Kahoot app or Kahoot website and click onto the corresponding color code which you think is the correct answer. Okay. So once we play the demo session, you'll get more idea regarding this. Okay. So this is the game pin for the demo session, 6153088. This is the game pin for the demo session. So once we finish the demo session, I think most of you will be able to know how this process is going. Okay. So still, if you have any doubts, you can ask it in the chat box. Chat box is open for questions, so we'll be happy to help you with anything regarding your doubts. Okay. All right. So I think we can start the session. So first, we'll be having a demo session. In the demo session, we'll be having two questions. So Anne has joined, Sharat, Safa, SPC, Agnes, Nay, Lola, Pravalika, BMI, Safla, Alia, AK, Rishika, Deba, Haifa, Yuvraj. Right, so I think we can start the session. So those who have already written the examination, how was your examination? May I know that in the chat box? How was your examinations? Those who have written the Sunday's exam. Hello, Yuvraj. All right, I hope everybody has done it well. So I think we can start the session. So if you're ready for the session, just enter ready in the chat box. Yeah, so for Safwan, it was good. Okay. All the best, Safwana. All right, so if you're ready for the session, you can enter ready in the chat box so that we can start the session. Okay, Sharath is ready. Few more messages and we'll be starting it. All right, Pravalika is ready. Rohitula is ready. All right, so I think we can start the session. So this will be the demo session. Okay, the demo session will be having two questions. So here comes your first question. So who designed the Hyder Relief Center at Azerbaijan? This is a question, and bottom you can see the options. Also, Louis Kahn, Charles Correa, different color codes and shape codes. You can see the options. Left side you can see the timer, and right side you can see the answers running. Okay, so click on the corresponding color code which you think is the right option. All right, so Zaha Hadid is the correct option. Okay, so here you can see that Zaha Hadid is being highlighted with a tick mark, and all other options are being faded with a wrong cross mark. Okay, so let's move on to the scoreboard. So this is a place where you will be able to see the toppers of the quiz. Okay, so Anne, AK, JC, Sakla, May, they are the toppers. Anne has got 989 points, AK 981, like that. We have 5 toppers. All right, so we have one more question left in the demo session, and this is the question. So again, like the same thing, left side you can see the timer, right side you can see how many of attended, and bottom you can see the options also. Okay. All right, so A is the correct answer. So now we'll be moving on to the podium. Podium is the place where we'll be able to see who all has come to the top, who all has grabbed the top 3 spots and the runners up. Okay, so moving on to the podium. All right, so here I can see JC has come to the 3rd spot. 2nd spot goes to MI, and 1st spot we have AK. All right, so that's all from the podium. So now we'll be, and we have runners up, Hannah and Anne. Okay, so now we'll be moving on to the real quiz. So real quiz, a new game pin will be generated. All right, so here you can see that a new game pin has been generated. So the new game pin is 1739333. That is a new game pin. So just enter this game pin and will be given entry to the game. Gauri, Sara, Sneh, Betsy, Sharath, Hanna. All right. So today's topic is non-verbal reasoning. Non-verbal reasoning, and we'll be having the 3 types of questions. One will be normal question. Normal question where 4 options will be there, like that. One question, and 4 options, and that's the end of that question. Okay. Another type of question is that one image will be shown. Observation type of question. That image will be shown, and 2 questions will be accompanied based on that. Okay. Like that. Other than that, we'll be having typing question also. Typing question in which you will have to type the answer. You'll have to type the answer and type the answer based on the option, based on the question. Okay. So that's 3 type of question, and we'll be having bonus questions also. 10th question, 15th question will be bonus question. So that means they will be having double the points. Double points they'll be having. Okay. So the new game pin is available in the chat box also, 1739333. That is the new game pin. So you can click on that. Sorry, you can copy that and paste it in your Kahoot app or Kahoot website. So we'll randomly pick some names. Nida, SN, SVC, Nandana, K, Lakshman, Narinsha, Banu, Adira, Sakla, Bharati, Melvin, Varsha, Paul Christie, Krupa, Safwana, JC, Hanna, FA, and Yulu, Deepa, Mayamai, Yuvraj, Shiva, Faris, TM, Bitu, Mukti, AK, Pravalika, Laurie Baker, Hanna, Sharad, Betsy, Sneh, Sara, Gauri, Tilli, Raghav Raval. Okay, all right. So how was your examination? If anybody could share your examination experience, then that will also be good. Might help others also. 2 minutes after that, we'll be starting. So in between, you can share it. If you have already settled with the Kahoot, you can share your exam experience. How was it, good or unexpected, or what was it? Okay, we have Agnes, Arya, okay, two Aryas, Delhi. So do we have any doubts regarding the process? We have already completed the demo session, and I've already explained how you have to enter and play this quiz. So still anybody's having doubts, you can ask it in the chat box. So we'll help you with that. Any doubts? All right. So I think we can start the session. So if you're ready for the session, just enter ready in the chat box. Just waiting for some messages. So after that, we'll be starting. All right. Susri is ready. Can we get more hands? Faris is ready. Right. So I think we can start the session. Shall I start? Anuja, Nias, Malavika. Okay, Sharath is ready. All right. So I think we can start the session. So we have some more participants joining. So maybe I'll wait for some more seconds. All right. So I think we can start the session. So here comes your first question. First question in Qriosity 57. All right, time's up. Select the figure which satisfies the same conditions of placement of dots in figure X. So answer is C. C is the correct answer. Okay. Scoreboard. If we have SPC on the top with 788 points. Second, we have SN. Third, we have Agnes. Fourth, we have Jessica. And fifth, we have Mukti. All right. So that's all from the scoreboard. So moving on to the second question. So before that, if anybody still want to join the quiz, here is the game pin 1739333. That is a game pin, and you can enter this game pin in your Kahoot app or website and join the quiz anytime in between also. So second question. All right, so how many triangles? There are 32 triangles in the given figure. So scoreboard again. We have a new topper. SN is a new topper here with 1562 points. Second, we have SPC. Third, we have Laurie Baker. Fourth, we have Bharati. And fifth, we have Atira. New climber, Nias is a new climber, climbing up 9 places in the scoreboard. So third question. All right. So which of the following option can be folded to make the 3D object in the picture? So C is the correct answer. So new topper SPC again. SPC has again come to the top with 2374 points. Atira second spot with 2250 as well as an answer streak of 3 correct answers in a row. Third we have Nias with 2093. Fourth we have Banu and fifth we have Malavika. So that's all from the scoreboard. So moving on to next question, fourth question. So identify the option that matches with the given image, and A is the correct option. Scoreboard again. Aditya has come to the top with 2801 points and an highest answer streak of 4 correct answers in a row. So second we have Nias with 2630. Third we have SN. Fourth we have SVZ and fifth we have Hannat. So that's all from the scoreboard. Moving on to the fifth question. All right, so choose the correct option from the answer figures that will replace the question mark in the problem figure. So what is the correct option? C is the correct option. Most of you have answered it correctly. Again, Nadira still on the top with 3367. Second, we have Nias. Third, we have SPC. Fourth, we have Annata. Fifth, we have Banu. New climber also. Safwana is the new climber, climbing up 8 places in the scoreboard. So next one. All right, identify the closed figure of the image given below. Which one? A is the correct option. So we have a new climber here. Hannat is a new climber with 3653 points. Second, we have Adira 3367. Third, we have Paris. Fourth, we have Nias. And fifth, we have SVC. So three players have reached the answers. Pick up three correct answers in a row. So one thing, if you really like this quiz, just show your appreciation by hitting the like button and make sure you're subscribed to our channel also so that you'll be getting notifications regarding our further quizzes also. So moving on to 7th question. All right, square paper is fold and punch small square hole when unfolded. Which one is the correct one? B is the correct option. So Adira has again come to the top with 3991 points. Second, we have Nias with 3885. Third, we have SVZ. Hannat has moved to the fourth spot with 3653. And fifth, we have Agnes with 3652. So that's it. And moving on to 8th question. All right, choose the correct option that comes as the next image, and that is D. D is next in the series. Again, Adira is still on top with 4605. Second, Hannat with 4286. Third, Agnes. Fourth, we have Anandu. And fifth, we have Nida. So Sharath is making a comeback with 3 correct answers in it. So moving on to the 9th question, and all right, so which one is the missing portion? B is the missing portion. Adira still on top with 5296. Second, Hannat with 5097. Third, we have Agnes. Fourth, we have Anandu. And fifth, we have Bharati. Melvin is making a comeback with 3 correct answers in a row. 10th question, it will be a type question as well as a double point. So you'll have to type the answer according to based on the columns and rows. You'll have to type the answers like A1, B1, C1, like that. Okay, so 60 seconds for the question. You can type it. All right, time's up. So what is the correct option? C1, C1, 1C, C1, 1C, all those things, everything is correct option. Okay. All right. So let's. There are on the top of 6876. Second, we have Hannah. Third, we have Agnes. Fourth, we have Anandu. And fifth, we have Nida, kind of a pretty easy one. So 11th. Right. Find the number of occurrence of capital letter T in the figure. So 7 is the correct option. Adira on the top with 7490, second Nida with 7002, third Hannat, fourth Agnes, and fifth we have Paris. Paris is making a comeback with 3 correct answers in it. So we have posted the Telegram channel link in the chat box. So that is a channel where we'll be posting your updates regarding your examination, our programs like YouTube Lives, classes and all. So make sure that you are joining that channel. It will help you for your examinations. Many materials also will be posting. So the link is posted. So make sure that you're joining the channel now itself. So let's move on to the 12th question. All right. So how many cubes are there? 158 cubes are there in the given figure. Scoreboard Adira still on top with 7490. Second, we have Hannat. Third, we have Paris. And fourth, we have Agnes. And fifth, we have Anantu. New climber. Ann is the new climber with climbing up 9 places in the scoreboard. So 13th one. All right. So which of the options is there are symbol rotations of the given figure? So correct option is D. We have a new climber. NIDA is a new climber. Sorry, we have a new topper. NIDA is a new topper with 7814. Second, we have Agnes with 7810. Third, we have Adira with 7490. Fourth, we have Hannat, and fifth, we have Paris. Safwana has an answer streak of 5 correct answers in there. So that's all from the scoreboard. Now we are moving on to observation type of image. So we have to observe this image for around 30 seconds. So after that, 2 questions will be answered based on this image. All right. So you can note down the points which you found from this. So we'll be giving around 30 seconds. All right, so I think that's enough. So shall we move on to the question? All right, so moving on to the question. All right, so identify the dress color of the person who do not follow the COVID protocol. That is blue. So Agnes is on top, 8728. Second, we have Nida, 8710. Third, Adira. Fourth, Hannat, and fifth, we have Paris. So 3 correct answers in a row. K is back in the game. So moving on to the 16th question, last question, and that will be having double the points also. Double the points. So make sure you're not missing this question. All right. So identify the platform number of the image. That is 8. 8 is a platform number. So we are moving on to the podium. That is the final result screen. So third, we have Atira with 10134. Second, we have Nida with 10582. And first, we have Agnes. So runners up. Hannat and Faris are the runners up also. So congratulations to all the winners. So winners, what you have to do is that you have to take the screenshot of the final result screen and send it to our WhatsApp number along with your Instagram ID 8086111024. We'll be posting it in our social media handles. Okay. All right. So once again, congratulations to all the participants and congratulations to all the winners and thank you to all the participants. So we'll be having more quizzes in the future. We'll be having quizzes on every Mondays as well as Friday. So make sure you're attending that also. So for that, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel. We'll be posting other updates also regarding your exams and all. And make sure you're joining your Telegram channel. So again, the same purpose, but it will be more accessible for you. Okay. All right. So thank you so much for participating. Have a great night.